Hello there, modern man. Do you know there's one vitamin that may be critical for your erection that nobody tests, that you don't even know about? Well, stay tuned to this episode. I'm going to tell you what that is and how this vitamin is essential for your erection. I'm Dr. Ann Truong. I've treated over 7,000 men with ED. So let's get right down to this. It's actually vitamin D, like in dog. However, your body uses two type of vitamin D2 and vitamin D3. What you need is the active component, vitamin D3, because that is the bioavailability. So why is this vitamin so critical for erection? It's vitamin because you need it. That's why it's called vitamin. But vitamin D3 does three things. One, it is anti-inflammation. So it helps with the lining of the blood vessel being healthy. Number two, if you have good levels, maintain good testosterone level as well. Number three, it increases nitric oxide. So to review, increases nitric oxide, it did a good level, and then it also decreased inflammation, which help with blood flow, and it also maintain your testosterone level. So if you're low, then your testosterone level will be low, then your inflammation will be high, less blood flow, and then also you will have less nitric oxide. And we all know that nitric oxide is help with blood flow. We all know testosterone help with erection as well. And we all know that blood flow is a big component of erection. Men struggling to stay hard, most of the time it comes down to poor blood flow. That's why I put together the Good Morning Wood Smoothie, a nutrient-packed blend designed to restore blood flow naturally. My patients often notice improvement in just a few weeks when they take this part of their daily routine. Click the link below to get the recipe and start boosting your blood flow and firmness today, or go to goodmorningwoodsmoothie.com. So, how do you know if you have low vitamin D? Oftentimes the signs are a little bit kind of ambiguous, but you can easily get a blood test. So you go to the lab and you get the blood test and make sure you get the one that's called calcitriol. Calcitriol or 25 hydroxy vitamin D, because you don't want to measure the D2 vitamin. So that's number one, to make sure that you get the right vitamin tested. It can be easily tested in the blood. And if you're less than 30, which is the low end of normal, then you need to be supplemented by taking a supplement. So the range is between 30 to 60. I like my patient to be around 45 or so, which is midway. However, nutritional requirement for vitamin D, not a lot of people be. I myself have been vitamin D deficient for many, many years, even though I try to increase it by eating more salmon, eating more vegetables as well. That's how you can increase it. I'm not eating enough portion. Oftentimes, we have to resort to taking supplements like this one, vitamin D3, that we have in our Modern Man crib, and you can check it out at ednomore.com. And you have to take the supplement because you're not going to eat enough for your body requirement. If you're over 50, you probably need between 1,000 to 2,000 units a day. So with this tablet here, that's just one pill a day. And that should be sufficient enough for at least to maintain your vitamin D level. The reason why it's called vitamin because it's critical for the functioning of your body. We talk about how it helps with blood flow, with hormones, and with nitric oxide. Now, if you have ED and you take vitamin D, does that mean that your erections restore? No. It's just a vitamin that you need to check with, but you need to institute the whole lifestyle changes on how you can reverse your ED. And it starts with the Mediterranean diet. And then you have to do it concurrently with the Mediterranean diet. You have to do it concurrently with 30 minutes of exercise 3 to 4 times a week, and then sleep, and also decrease your stress and watch your weight as well. And so all that is to work together in decreasing inflammation. Think of inflammation as like a fire that's burning in your blood vessel that decreases blood flow. All of those components I just talked about there will reverse it. And therefore, when you improve your vitamin D, when you follow the Mediterranean diet, and when you exercise and you sleep, you stop smoking and decrease stress, all of that will actually increase the blood flow, increase nitric oxide, increase testosterone, and therefore will restore more blood flow and therefore erection. Okay, modern man, if you're struggling with weak erection, low energy, the food you eat could be the big part of the problem. One of the best research-backed ways to boost circulation, support healthy testosterone, and improve sexual performance is the Mediterranean diet. It's packed with food that open up your blood vessel, lower inflammation, and fuel your hormone naturally. I've seen men notice real improvement in both energy and erection within weeks when they shift to this style of eating. So check out the Mediterranean diet link right here below and get that as soon as you can. Stronger testosterone and better erection. So it's not just taking vitamin D and your ED is gone. I want to be clear that you have to institute it in a lifestyle change. All right. Now, it is a change. Think of it like weight loss. It's not like overnight. It does take time. And one of the things you can do, and you can get a nitric oxide strip, measure how much nitric oxide you have in your saliva as well. We have that available in our Modern Man Crib store at ednomore.com. You can measure your nitric oxide level, and nitric oxide is critical for having erection as well. So you can definitely measure these levels to be objective about it. And just know that you don't have to live with ED. There are alternatives. There are ways that you can do it. But the main thing is start early, guys. Don't take Viagra for 10 years and then find out it's not working anymore. Because by that time, the reason why you had ED anyway had gotten worse. There's a reason why you have ED. And oftentimes, it's just one simple tweak, like sleeping better, or maybe one simple tweak and then exercise. One simple tweak, maybe adding in the vitamin. So you want to start early. You don't want to wait until 10 years after taking medication and you fail, because by that time, the condition that caused decreased blood flow to your penis may have gotten worse and you will need more invasive treatment. And that's where the Get Hard system to restore erection come from, is that we approach the ED from multiple angles. So that way we can do an ED reset for you and to get you better blood flow again. But we address the sick system. That's what the Get Hard system does. So the Get Hard system is more for involved cases, but we can also use that for mild cases as well. So let's get back to this. Men, just know you have ED. Please get your blood work done. Try to find out the cause of your ED. Oftentimes it's as easy as probably sleep, maybe stress, maybe your blood sugar or your high cholesterol, your blood pressure, that can be easily corrected with just the Mediterranean diet and exercise and really optimizing your sleep. And that will last for a whole lifetime. That's why I let you know that, okay? You do not need Viagra medication for your erection. So having said that, I hope you find this episode helpful and that it will mean the world to me. If you subscribe, a lot of our listeners are not subscribing, so subscribe and get notification and share this with somebody you think will benefit from this. And check out the vitamin D at ED No More stores on modernmancrib.com. And just know, guys, that there are alternatives to ED. You do not have to suffer alone. You are not broken. And we are here to help you every step of the way. And we have the Get Hard system to reset your erection again. I will see you in the next episode. Okay, modern men, you are not alone and you don't have to suffer anymore. ED can feel isolating, frustrating, and even defeating. The endless guessing, the quiet shame, the weight of not feeling like yourself, it's exhausting. But here's the truth. You are not broken. You are not alone. You don't have to figure this out alone anymore. The Get Wood Now Boost program is your step-by-step path to sexual confidence and restoration. No more suffering in silence. No more trial and error. just real solution, real result, and the confidence you deserve. It's time to take back your power on your term. Let's get this journey started together. Check out the course at getwoodnow.com. I'll see you there.